Today, I'm going to show you the best OBS settings for streaming in 2025. Let's get started. Open Settings from the bottom right controls panel. Click on Stream. Now connect your streaming account or paste your stream key manually. At the bottom, check Ignore Streaming Service Recommendations. Click Yes and then Apply. Next, go to the Output tab. Set Output Mode to Advanced. Under the Streaming tab, set your audio track to track 1. If you're streaming to Twitch, enable the VOD track option. Set it to track 2. This is useful if you don't want music saved in your stream VOD. For the audio encoder, choose FFmpeg AAC. For the video encoder, if you have NVIDIA, select NVENC H264. For AMD, choose AMD HW H264. If neither, use X264. Leave Rescale Output disabled. Scroll down to Encoder Settings. Set Rate Control to CBR. Now, choose your bit rate based on your upload speed. If your upload speed is above 12 megabits per second, set your bit rate to 8000. If your upload speed is between 10 and 12 megabits, then go with 6000. If your speed is below 10 megabits per second, it's best to use 4000 for a stable stream. And if you're streaming to YouTube with an upload speed over 14 megabits, then you can push it up to 10,000 for maximum quality. Set keyframe interval to 2. For preset, use P5, good quality, or P6, better quality. If you're streaming and gaming on the same PC. If you're only streaming a webcam or using a dedicated streaming PC, go with P6 or P7. If your PC is low-end, use medium. Set tuning to high quality. Set multipass mode to 2 passes quarter resolution, or use full resolution if your PC can handle it. Set profile to high. Uncheck look ahead. Check adaptive quantization. Set max B-frames to 2. Click Apply. Now head to the Audio tab. Set sample rate to 48 kHz and channels to stereo. Under Desktop Audio, select your default headset or speaker. If you use a second device, set that in Desktop Audio too. Set mic aux to your microphone. Click Apply again. Now open the Video tab. Set base resolution to either your screen size or 1920 by 1080. You can find your screen resolution in your display settings. Use 1920 by 1080 as your output scaled resolution. If downscaling, set the filter to Lanczos. Set FPS type to Common FPS values. Use 60 FPS. If you're on a low bitrate like 4000, go with 30 FPS for better clarity. Click Apply. Now go to Hotkeys. Search for Streaming. Assign a shortcut for Start Streaming. You can also set the same key for Stop Streaming to make it a toggle. You can assign hotkeys to change scenes too. Click Apply. Next, go to Advanced. Set Process Priority to Normal. Leave other settings at default. Disable Stream Delay for better viewer experience. Click Apply, then OK. Last step. In the audio mixer, click the 3 dots. Open Advanced Audio Properties. Enable each device for your streaming track, usually track 1. For the VOD track, only enable the devices you want in your saved stream. That's it. You now have the best OBS streaming settings for 2025. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also check out the next video here.